going to the market today kasi may market dyan malapit lang. Doon sa aming Mother's Day celebration ng aking Junakis, nandun din yung kanilang ito marketplace. So eco market siya. So bawa plastic. Kala ko malamig, para mainit naman, hindi naman ganun kalamig kasi pa today is officially winter, June 1. So let's go try it. We always go there, but my husband never try it. It always when he's not here, it's always a market. So let's go. Samahan niyo kami. Yung market na to, environmental siya, so wala kayong makikitang plastic. Puro gawa sa tela. Hindi man pala ganun kalamig, kaya nagpalit ako. Kasi naka long sleeve na ako, tapos naka jacket ako ng lamig. Ito lang, pink tuloy tayo, tsaka green. Bahala si Batman. Tapos hindi na naman ako mag makeup. Yun lang. So, marami pa rin naghahanap ng parking. Wala talagang parking. Sa totoo, simple ito lakarin mula sa bahay. Hindi ko lang ginawa. Kasi malayo pa rin kahit na pinilakarin. Pag sa car, malapit lang. Ayoko maglakad doon. Ang laki ng dog. So, we don't have parking na. Super full. So, dito lang kami nagpark sa side na to. Lakad na naman. Good job, Leona! You catch it! Wow! What number is that? What number is this? What number is this? Oh. One more time. Catch the blue one. Come on. Yes.
Oh, really got him.
Ay, sus. Leona, blow. Leona, blow. Worms. You want to see the worms? Oh my god, there's a lot of kids also in the worms. There's a lot of people today. Look, Leona, what is that? There, Leona. Say hi. Hi. Come on. Hi. Say hi. Try and kiss the koala now. Oh. Koala is eating. Say hi to koala. Hi, koala. Wait, is it back? That is back. Here.
Oh, good job.
One more time. A frog. How about this one? How about this one? Push this one. What's the sound of the bird? Bird. How about the duck? Dusky Maltese. Watch them buzz about their busy hive. Bees going. Bees. Open. Go, open now. Go. Where's the bees, mommy? There's the bees. Bees. Oh my God. Doon sa labas. Ambon lang naman. So dito kami pumunta. kung saan lagi naglalaro si Leona. Dami tao ngayon, grabe. Tapos, hindi tayo nakapag-face paint sa kanya kasi ang haba ng pila. Hindi na talaga nabawasan. So, okay lang kahit wala may face paint. What ikaw, no? Yay! Clap! Clap! Yay! Yay!
We hope you enjoyed Yo garing dana me jo jamo pero no garing dana me jo jamo pero no garing dana me jo jamo
Still a lot in the face paint. There's still a lot line. Look, Leona! Fairy!
The one that was mine. That Nanny, the model. Beautiful.
Wow! So pretty! Hi, the fairy!
I think that's a real tree.
Wow! It's a tree fairy. Say hi, Leona! Come on! Say hi, little fairy! Whoa! Wow! Leona, share, okay? Share. Ay! Slowly. Here. There you go. Come on. There you go, Leona. Up. Up. Good. Good.
Want to do some yoga first?
Blow, Leona, blow.
It's tricky.
1, 2, 3, go. Now your turn.
That's the thing, you don't want to take anything home. No.
Wow, what is that? Good girl. Happy? Now you want to try the worm? And potato there? Here. Oh no! What's happening? So ano, yung mga binibenta rin ito, yung mga plants, anong klaseng plants, coffee, may pang ano din sa kids. Mas maraming tao ngayon. So, nasa bahay na kami. Antok na antok ako, hindi ako nakapagkape. Itong batang to. Tapos ngalay na agad yung paa ko. So, umuwi na kami kasi alam ko uulan. Medyo humahangin na. Bago, hanggang alas 12 lang naman yun, pero ang dami pa rin dumarating na tao. Super dami ngayon talaga, as in. Yung car park, nga, kahit maaga kami, like 10 o 9:30, wala na kaming car park sa loob. So, sa labas na kami. Tapos, meron na ako nakita ngayon pag-uwi. Nagpa-park pa rin sa highway. Super nice to this year, ay this month. So, kakain lang kami ng lunch sa bahay. Kasi yung potato na gusto namin doon, cash lang. Wala akong cash na dala. So, bili lang kami ng donut. Yun lang. Wala naman akong binili masyado. Tapos yung face paint, hindi na namin ginawa. Super haba pa rin ng pila. Pero nag-enjoy sa Leona. So, yun lang naman. Kaya ako pumunta sa market. Kasi ang dami nilang kids activities. So, hopefully, nakabuo ako ng vlog. Hindi ko lang talaga ma-focus yung bawat store. Kasi si Leona, hinahawakan niya lahat. Napabili nga ako ng bus. Laruan na bus. So, yun lang. Thank you for coming. So, every 3 months, naggaganyan sila. Or, kasi last March pa yan na-cancel kasi nga maulan. Kaya ginawang June. So, yun. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell for more updates from my. Bye!